Hi there, thank you for watching my final lab. I'm examining a paper that explores the motives for Facebook use among college students. Specifically, it's examining the use of Facebook, patterns for Facebook activities, and late adolescent social adjustment to college. This was done through a qualitative study by using a questionnaire, and it examined some key areas throughout the questionnaire, including background information, which included age, gender, the year of college, ethnic background, how far students were from home, as well as the size of the students' Facebook friends lists, as well as an average minutes used of Facebook in the previous week. Some motivation for using Facebook. So what the researchers had was 20 items related to this, including 8 from Sheldon's Motives for Facebook Use Scale, and 12 items from a description of how college students describe the role that various social media played within social interactions and relationships. How often that item was a reason for them to use Facebook. The Facebook activities that they used while on there, and this was to report how many times they engaged in each of the 20 Facebook activities above during the previous week. And there were 4 key areas identified from this, including electronic interactions, voyeurism, such as watching what other people were doing, status updating, which is themselves updating their own personal status, as well as gaming. The adjustment measures consisted from 2 scales using 7 items from the social adjustment subscale and 20 items from the UCLA loneliness scale. Researchers identified 2 key factors that motivated students to utilize Facebook, including relationship formation as well as relationship maintenance. So were the students on there for creating new relationships, or were they there to maintain previous relationships that already existed? This was a quality analysis using strict data analysis through various forms. The key players and participants in the questionnaire included 193, mostly European American students, aged 17 to 26 years. They were evenly distributed among college-university years and were from a major Midwestern university in the States. As far as the timeline goes, this was a very limited snapshot of a self-recall by the participants. By doing the questionnaire, they were recall reliant, meaning that they had to remember what they had done in the previous week in relation to their use of Facebook, which in my opinion leaves a little bit of a limited reliability. Sometimes we forget how much time we've used or what we've used it for. So this definitely offers an area and potential for more research, as well as longer time span could be more reliable outcomes. There are key results identified from the study. These 3 graphs outline the kind of core areas. Researchers identified that students with a higher level of loneliness actually used Facebook more. Those with higher social adjustment used Facebook less. And the other graph here outlines the 4 areas of purposes for using Facebook. And you can see here that as the level and age of our level of education increased, the purpose and the level of engagement decreased as well. So this indicates that there is a use for the use of Facebook. This does have implications for college students' psychosocial well-being. The conclusions outlined in the graphs above definitely indicate that the motivation for Facebook use by college students and the impact on social adjustment is relevant. And I feel that there is definitely areas for future research due to the limitations in this current study. In addition to this, I feel that this study in particular does offer quite a bit of impact and importance to my personal goals in research. I feel that this is something that contributes significantly to my areas of interest, including the college students' potential motivation for use of Facebook, and then outlining some potential impacts of the use of social media in relation to the adjustment to college. So how are students using it to adjust? Does it help them socially or not? Thank you.